It is Halloween, October 31st.
And tomorrow's November 1st.
That's how it works.
That's how it works all the time.
Sequential.
But October is
just another one bites the dust.
Another one does. Well, I hope everybody has a happy Halloween. Be safe.
Safe Halloween for sure. It's unfortunately a lot of accidents occur during Halloween, so let's be careful out there, folks.
Well, this has been a week that has been focused on election and what's going to happen in November with the Federal Reserve, but primarily election and noise of the election.
It's called the silly season for a reason.
Yeah, I can't tell you how many different articles on every day. Here's how your portfolio ought to be invested if Trump wins. No, this is how you should be invested if Harris wins. And attend this seminar or this iPod or a podcast or do it. And you know what, folks? Nobody knows. So don't worry about it.
We have portfolios for each.
Either one. We're ready for either one.
We're ready for either one. The portfolios will look very different, and both candidates are very different. So you would expect that the portfolios would look a little bit different.
What is interesting this week is the focus on numbers, the focus on earnings. Big tech companies came in and they hit their earnings expectations, top line and bottom line, but then the overall market didn't treat them as you would thought they would have been treated.
Well, we got an S&P that is 15 to 20% overpriced, according to most experts. And when you're priced to perfection and you don't get perfection, you're going to have a market that drops. And then we expect to see that, if not before the election, sometime after.
So you also have at this date things like the sectors of utilities and the sector of precious metals. Some precious metals and utilities are outpacing the S&P, which is a little strange, and it doesn't happen very often. Again, it is part of this unknown that we're in pre-election. So let's get through next week and let's get into the last quarter and begin to focus on 2025, and we'll set the course of what we need to do.
Hopefully after next Tuesday, maybe Wednesday, Thursday, we'll have enough data to claim a winner, and then we can move on, and I think we'll have some clarity on what portfolios ought to start looking like.
Come away with understanding that we have portfolios for both candidates. We know the direction to go. We know where we want our money to be and how to do it, and we're just going to get through next week. I think the most important thing we want to share with you is, regardless of how you vote, next Tuesday, vote. Participate in this great opportunity.
And if you have the ability, I voted early. It's nice to get it out of the way and not have to worry about getting there on Tuesday. If something were to come up from an emergency standpoint, you've already voted.
We'll show you more of this, but maybe now you're seeing the beginning, the end effect of what Jess and Julia have done for us in our office and our setting. They've done a great job. We are improving it, and you'll see more and more of it as we go. Couple of different sets in our new video here. So we hope you approve of it and like it. We thank them for what they have done because they did an awful good job. But we're here each and every week. We're going to get through next week in the election. Please go out and vote. Be safe tonight for Halloween and know that it is your money.
And your money matters. Have a great rest of the week. And be careful on Halloween.
See you next week.